Hi, Timo.
Called?
I'm nearly home.
OMG, safe travels, bestie. Don't crash the vibe on the way in.
Got it.
In a world where tech is advancing so rapidly, no long journey should ever be dull, lonely, or boring. Solo driving on a long-haul trip can get incredibly tedious. After seeing a smart tech company announce a new AI solution built for exactly this problem, I knew I had to test it. I regularly travel across Europe for tech events. So on my recent trip across the UK to the National Exhibition Centre, I brought the latest car AI companion along for the ride. Over the next 5 hours, the only interaction I usually have is shouting at the sat-nav when it tries to take me through a farmyard. I demand tech with personality in everything I do. I want it to feel genuinely engaging.
Hi, Timmy.
You called?
What can you do?
I roast, I joke, and keep you entertained. You're welcome for the show.
But normal in-car AI is usually just a boring voice that mishears everything. If you want a passenger that never complains about your music, stick with me. This is Timo. She is the world's first in-car AI social robot, and trust me, she is one smart bit of kit hiding a very big personality. After one long road trip, she became my favourite piece of in-car tech. Most car gadgets are just boring black plastic boxes that stick to your dash, but Timo, she is an actual character. She sits happily on any surface with her suction cup base, and she is no reckless passenger. Timo wants you to drive safe. She interacts with how you drive through motion awareness. She accelerates, brakes, and swivels in perfect sync with your driving. Take off too quickly, and she leans back. Brake late, and she leans forward. It creates real immersion that makes her feel like a true intelligent companion who actually understands what you're going through on the journey. But here is where it gets really fun. Timo has a gamified element. You can choose from a variety of preset agents to create your very own personalized AI companion. Each agent comes with a unique personality, gender profile, and conversational style. You can also fine-tune key parameters such as speaking speed, emotional tone, and mode of expression to craft a truly personalized, interactive experience. Next is voice cloning. This powerful feature allows you to record and replicate specific voices. You can create a unique voice model based on your own voice, or even clone and save other voices you wish to preserve or reproduce. And finally, Planet Chat Mode. In Planet Chat Mode, the system randomly matches you to dynamic chat rooms based on different interaction scenarios. The AI agents take the initiative to start conversations and break the ice, making the whole experience feel much more natural and engaging. You can jump in at any time and join the ongoing group conversations. Because she has built-in GPS, she knows exactly where you are. All I had to say was, "Hey Timo, open eggs." And she played a voice message left by another driver at that exact location. It is called the Easter egg system, social discovery done right. I can even record my own message for the next person driving the same road. There are various official outfits available that are simple to add. My Timo spent most of the trip roasting me, so the horns and dragon styling suit her perfectly. We travelled over 200 miles each way, and the drive genuinely felt shorter. I was too busy hunting Easter eggs and laughing at her cheeky comments. You would expect a first-of-its-kind robot to cost a fortune, but the early bird price is incredible and it's linked below. It's rumoured to launch late June. Perfect timing for those summer road trips. You are literally getting a digital soul for your car. This cheeky little character is an absolute must if you spend hours behind the wheel, so it is the ultimate anti-boredom tool for the road. Professional, interactive, and genuinely funny. She is actually a better dancer than me. She does that too. The link for YiLink.ai is down below. While you're there, hit subscribe, drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.